Galaxy Z Flip 4. It's a 254 GB. It's a US version is there, and I ordered the unlocked version, and that's a graphite is there. This one is for the graphite color, and we are gonna see that one how it looks like when we open it is first time. This phone is normally gonna release around August 26th. So we received it today, so it is August 23rd. So it is pretty much earlier for the release, anticipated release date than this one. So let's see first thing first, we will see how this guy looks like particularly, and we will open from this one, and it looks like that one they have used the recycled packaging. It is very thin packaging. It is just like a used for iPhone and the previous edition too. So we will see this one, and it looks like that nothing else is there. And they also looks like that one they have used this time the soya ink. So this ink is also environment friendly this time. So if you can look at it, this one has a very nice feel is there. The packing is really good, and let's go and let's open this box now. Okay, there is a two side that's packing is there, and it's not opening up straight, so I'm just gonna do that one, and we can use this one. Let's figure it out. That's on how it looks like inside. Okay, when we open the box, on top there is all the accessories things are there, and let's figure it out what's there in the accessories. So they have the nice little tool for SIM card tool is there, and the USB-C to USB-C to C cable is there, and they have the quick start guide is there, and all the things are there in it. So that's what it is, and it is just like nowadays it's a standard with these guys. So there is nothing else is inside, but let's figure it out how the phone packs looks like, how the phone feel like that one. So it is upside down. It is a graphite color is there, and this is the phone is there. So let's open these. It has a plastic is there, so let's open this plastic first, and we will go from there. It is very nicely things feel is just like it is a very luxury phone is there. So it looks like this one. It's really good phone. It's built quality looks really good, and it is just only thing is there. If you will see this one, it has that's a fold is right here. So fold, you can see it that one on a straight phone. You can, whether I'm not sure that whether you will able to see it, but there is a little bit bump looks like that one outside the box. So let's find out that one how it looks like that one, and rest of the things there is nothing else looks like. So let's power it up. Oh, this is the power button is right here. Yeah, it's a power button. Hope they have that some kind of the gas in it. Yep, it is. It has some power. It is gas in it. So it says that one it is secured by the knobs. And if it is secured by the knobs thing is there, then you have to figure it out what to do with it. So if you can look at it, that will be a great thing. And let's see. Okay, it starts with this one. It's a welcome usual phone usual thing is there. Let's hit the start, and it says that you agree that all the policies are there. I am agreeing that things, and I'm just putting in. I'm just skipping it that one right now, so we will do it and copy the apps data and done copy right now. So I do not want to use it right now. I'm just gonna accept these things, and I want to skip this one, protect your phone right now. I do not want to activate this one right now, and skip anyway. And Samsung is there, they are asking for the Samsung account. I'm also gonna skip it. I'm also gonna skip this, all the signing pages. This is all Samsung sign is there. I'm gonna sign and I'm just gonna skip it. This is another skip it is there. You all set, and let's finish. And this is how it looks like. That one is currently, it looks like this one, and all the things are there. This is a very nice bezel is there. It looks like everything is feel good. The form factor compared to my previous version, that one, it is looks really cool. Let's try to fold it now. This phone is foldable, and you can see this is the hinges there. Hinge is very tiny. It is very cool, and it is very sturdy hinges as compared to the previous version. The only thing I can see this one, it's very nice and really good feeling is there. We can do this one is right. It's very cool feeling is there. Once you will close it, you can see this one. There is a nice bezel is there, or this is the things are there. This is the play music is there. There is alarms are there. This is the timer is there. There is a calendar is there. You can add the widgets are there. From the widgets, there is a weather is there. There is a notifications are there. There is a steps are there. There is your contacts are there. You can call them contacts. This is the whole day weather, movie, and multiple things are there. So it is there, but you can do it whatever you want to do it. And it looks like this one. The edges are very nice and firm and very rounded is there. So you will find this is very cool. Some of the people are asking into the some of the threads on the Reddit and all the things, is there any kind of the pre-install screen protector is there? In my condition, I can say it does have a screen protector. You can see this, and there is a screen protector is here. There is a screen protector is there, and it is very nice. Touch screen is there, so there is a screen protector is included. It is installed from the things, so that's good for us. So hope you guys will enjoy this phone. Let me try this one, and I'm gonna look at it this phone to activate via eSIM. So I'm pretty much sure that one I'm not gonna use that anything else, but it has almost 60% of the battery life is there, and we are gonna try it out. That's on how much battery life on it, and all the things are there, and feel looks really good. And let's figure it out. That's on how it looks into this strap. What is this one? In a strap cover is. So let's figure it out. That's on how it looks like into the cover. So you guys will have the idea. They are giving out this cover as a free cover with this one. So let's figure it out how it looks like. And I think this guys goes right here. And this guys goes right here. And I ordered the strap, but it looks like it's cool. It looks really fancy. It is inside, and it looks like it's really good. And hope you enjoy this one. This one I ordered this one flip phone with the strap on it, so I do not need the ring one, but I like this one strap one the better. So it looks like this one is working out really good, and this silicone things, it's very snug and very nice. It has a rounded edges too, so it looks like this one it is worth to spend $39 on it if they are not giving out free with your phone. So hope you guys have enjoyed this one, and we will catch you for another. My watch 5 is coming tomorrow, so we will look for the watch 5, how to open and how to set up video tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice night.